Guys, what's up? I'm back. This is KG. For today's video, as I'm gonna do unpacking again for the package that I received today. So let's unpack it, guys, kung anong laman niya. This is from Sales Lady Cosmetics. So one of my favorite cosmetic, guys, for men and women. And this is a trending pressed powder right now online because this is a lasting, waterproof, oil control, matte, flawless face powder from Sales Lady. So tamang-tama, guys, I didn't put anything on my face right now because I got home from the gym and tatry natin buksan to, guys, because it's really new. Ipilop natin yung sticker sa mirror kasi may nakalagay pa siya na sticker, guys. And by the way, this is a shade number 2. It's natural beige. As it says again, lasting waterproof. So kahit papawis ka, guys, hindi siya natatanggal. Ayan, napilop na natin yung sa mirror. So ito yung tsura niya, guys. And then meron pa siyang nakalagay dito. So try natin lagyan yung mukha natin. So ito siya, guys, oh. Wala pa akong nilagay dyan sa mukha ko, pero ito na yung coverage niya, guys. Ang ganda. Parang naka-blur yung face ko. Nawawala yung mga acne scars, mga pigmentations and imperfections sa face ko, guys. So ito yung resulta niya, 'di ba? Ang ganda, guys, oh. Ang pogi-pogi ko. Tingnan nyo, konti lang yung nilagay ko, ha, pero ang ganda ng effect, guys. So if you're gonna order this one, just check the yellow basket below. Bye.